Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Tyra. If you're new here, hi, hello, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a makeup look with the MAC Strobe Beam Liquid Blush. I got these sent in the mail weeks ago and I've been meaning to make a video about it, so we're gonna do it today. I have two colors here, Good Vibes and Apricot Jelly. I already did a sneak peek on what the packaging looks like, so this won't be new to me, but it'll be new to you guys. This is the first one in the shade Good Vibes. And it's giving me like a berry. It's giving me berry vibes. The second one, again, is in Apricot Jelly. And this one is giving me like, I guess apricot. I don't even know what apricot looks like, but orange, pretty much. This is my first time actually using MAC blush. The only MAC item I've ever used in my entire life is their iconic lipstick. And I just got that like back in April. So let's go ahead and put them to the test. I'm gonna go off camera and do pretty much my full routine. And then once it's time to apply the blush, I will apply it with you guys on camera. Okay, so I'm back from doing my entire face. I did go ahead and do one side just so I can get an idea of what I wanted to use the blush to create. So I basically did kind of like a sunsetty type of thing. I'm gonna take the shade Good Vibes first. I'm gonna add a dot. And then I'm gonna take the shade Apricot Jelly and add a dot right next to it. Okay, and then repeat it. So it should look something like that. Now, I was really scared when I first blended it on this side because I just thought that the pigment was going to be astronomical and it was going to look crazy, but they actually blend very lightweight and seamless together. And it's not like overly pigmented to the point where you make a mistake and you're like, oh, now I have to either wipe this off and start over or just deal with it. These blushes are actually quite buildable. And the cool thing about it is that you can catch these these blushes really good in light. It has like this strobe effect, so once it touches the light, it kind of gives you like a beam on your cheeks, which is so nice because it kind of gives you that hybrid between a blush and a highlighter without being like overly powering. I'm taking the blush and bringing it up and then also bringing it on the top of my eyelid because I've been seeing that kind of a lot lately where you drag the blush to kind of give it like a diffuse effect on the eyelid and on the cheek. I feel like this was the most perfect product to try that with. I think it looks so pretty with these products. If you feel like you've applied it a little bit too crazy, I went back in with my sponge to kind of diffuse the area that I don't really want the blush sitting too low on. Now that the blush is fully applied, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my powders, come back and show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished result. I think it looks so pretty. I really love that sunset trend. Good Vibes and Apricot Jelly with the Beam Liquid Blush Strobe MAC Blush. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys with another video soon. Bye.